Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in one clear goal and who this video is for. That focus guides every decision. Once done, outline 3 concise talking points and a 30 to 60 second hook so you don't ramble. Make sure to position the camera at eye level in a 16:9 frame and use a tripod for stability. Test audio with a quick recording. You're starting the process now, so shoot a short practice take to verify lighting, composition, and sound before recording the full video. You now move into filming with structure. Record short takes of 30 to 90 seconds so editing stays fast and flexible. Once you have your main footage, capture B-roll like cutaways, screen recordings, and close-ups to illustrate your points and cover jump cuts. Make sure to vary energy and visuals by changing angles, pacing, or background every few minutes to maintain attention. You should also record a few alternative lines and a clean room tone to simplify audio fixes during the edit later. You finish by editing toward that single main message. Trim filler, tighten pacing, add a 5 to 10 second branded intro and a 10 to 20 second end card with a call to action. Once done, export with H.264 and a reasonable bitrate, upload with a keyword-rich title, custom thumbnail, and concise description. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by first syncing audio, then fixing color or swapping noisy clips with B-roll. If upload fails, retry with a smaller file or different browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.